Automation testing is a crucial aspect of modern software development. It helps ensure the reliability and efficiency of software applications. Java is one of the most popular programming languages used in automation testing. It's simple, readable, and has extensive libraries. Understanding automation testing principles is crucial for effective test automation. Familiarize yourself with the concepts of test frameworks, test cases, and test data management. To become proficient in automation testing, you need to practice building test automation frameworks. Start by creating simple frameworks and gradually progress to more complex ones. Selenium WebDriver is the most widely used automation tool for web application testing. Mastering it and its features is crucial for becoming an automation tester proficient in Java. Developing strong problem-solving and analytical skills is essential for identifying and resolving issues efficiently. Practice working on diverse test scenarios to enhance your problem-solving abilities. With dedication and persistence, you can establish yourself as a valuable automation tester in the software development industry. Remember to keep learning and practicing regularly.